Hello everyone. Today we will execute two programs in 8086 related to multiplication and division. In first program we will multiply two 16-bit numbers. Then for the second program we will divide 32-bit number by 16-bit number. Now first we will see our multiplication program. So first of all we will load multiplicand. First 16-bit input data in register AX, then we will load multiplier in register BX, then we will multiply the contents of AX and BX using a mul instruction. Then the result will automatically be stored in DX and AX register. Lower 16 bits of the product will be stored in AX, while the higher 16 bits of the product will be stored in DX after mul instruction. Then we will save the product at specified memory locations. Now this is the code. We are making the contents of DS data segment register as 4000 in hexadecimal. Then we are taking our input data from these memory locations. Then we are using mul instruction. By using this instruction we will multiply AX and BX, and the result will be stored in DX and AX register. Now we will move the lower 16 bits of the product at these memory locations. Then we will move the higher 16 bits of products to AX from DX, and then we will store these higher 16 bits to these memory locations. Now here for the example I have taken two numbers 0008 and 0004, and we should get the product as 0020, and a higher 16 bits of the product will be 0000. So we will go to our emulator. We will make a new empty workspace, and from here we will copy our code. So we have this 08 and 04, and we should get 0020. So we will emulate it. Now first we will input our data, which is at 40412. So first data is in these two memory locations, and second data in these two memory locations. So first data we will take 08, 0008 is first data, then 0004 is second data. Now we will go to our code segment, and we can check step by step here the contents. And finally we will check our output, which should be at 400, and this 2000 2000. So we are getting our result at 0020. So this way we can execute our program for multiplication. So now we will go for the division. So for division we will require 32-bit dividend. So we will take two register pairs. Lower word will be stored in AX, and higher word will be stored in DX, and divisor we will store in BX register. So we will divide the contents of AX and DX by contents of BX using this div instruction. So the quotient will be stored in AX register and the remainder will be stored in DX register. Finally, we will save the quotient and remainder at specified memory location. So this is the code. TS we have made 4000. Then at these memory locations, these four memory locations, we are storing our dividend. These two we are storing our divisor. Then we are using div bx. Then lower 16 bits of the quotient will be stored in AX. So we will move this data to these two memory locations. Then we will copy this higher we will copy the 16 bits of remainder which is stored in TX, and we will move it to AX, and then we will move this remainder to these two memory locations. Now for example, I have taken this these inputs for execution. I have divided 257 by 4 in decimal, so we should get 64 as quotient and 1 as remainder. So let's check that. uh, we will first copy the code. So I've already written it here, so I'm just copying it. So we will emulate it. Now first we will store our data. So 40 and 12. So first data we will take as 0101. So this we will make 01. This also 01. So these four memory locations store dividend. So it is 00000101. Now for divisor we are taking 0004. So 0004. So here we will store 404. So we have stored our data. So we will go to our code segment 0100. So now we will run it. Now we will check data at 4000 and 2000. So we are getting 0004, 0040, and remainder we are getting 1. So remainder we are getting 1. So in this way you can execute your program related to division in this emulator. Thank you.